Hi everyone, I'm JD Hoovener, your host of the Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor and entrepreneur, get your daily dose of inspiration to help you make the world a better place. This next 5-part series, we're talking all about aerospace, one of our top 3 specialties here at Bold Patents. Aerospace, of course, is those airplanes you see flying around the air, but also includes outer space, rockets, satellites, and other things that orbit the Earth or go beyond. Today, we're going to talk about a challenge, as we do most every Bold Today show. Your challenge today is to think about the trade shows that are in your industry and about the different technologies that your inventions are surrounding. Attend one trade show. Sign up today and tell us in the comments what trade show you're going to and get excited about it. Make yourself prepared, right? Know who's going to be at the conference. Get ready to network, because this is one of the best ways to meet influential players in your market. For me, I had the opportunity a few weeks ago to go to the PNAA, that's the Pacific Northwest Aerospace Alliance Conference in the Linwood Convention Center. And it was amazing. I mean, people from around the world came there. Suppliers, vendors, designers, manufacturers in the aerospace arena. It was a wonderful place to network with other referral partners and meet new clients there too. So really encourage you to do that. We had a great experience. I want to get to the legal section of today's Bold Today chat. Before we get there, I want to talk about the invention that we are all aware of, which is the airplane, right? And what goes into an airplane is of course, the design, the utility aspect of the propulsion, and the overall aerodynamics of the wings with the different control surfaces. But what you don't think about as much is what the pilot sees, right? When you go to an airplane, you just sit in the seat and you think of what you actually visualize as a passenger. The pilot, in their flight deck, there's tons of innovation going on. And so we've picked for today's patent of the day a patent that's owned by Textron, and they've invented a lighted control side stick for the pilot. And you can check it out right here. They've got a way to indicate, oh actually it's over here. Sorry about that. The lighted control stick is a way for the pilots that are able to see a signal, that are getting constant audio feedback from the tower and from their co-pilots. They can get an additional signal through visual recognition. The stick itself lights up, so it's a pretty neat invention. And you can look at the patent number here as well and pull it up and read through the whole thing. Today's legal topic is going to be focusing on the background section of an application. An application has got lots of different parts, and so we've got a snapshot here of the background of this patent for this side stick controller that lights up. So different parts of the control light up to let the pilot know that, for example, the aileron's performing at 90% of its guaranteed tolerance, or that maybe there's a wind gust that's exceeding some limit for the flaperon. Okay, the background section of the application, and we're going to get into a lot of this as we talk about the spec. The background is really supposed to articulate the basics. It's going to talk about no more than 2 to 3 paragraphs is about all you need, and that's what they did here. It should identify all the prior art. It should talk about the high-level differences, the problems in the market, and make just a very generic statement about why this invention exceeds and is able to solve the problem that the prior art has, without saying too much more. There are some pitfalls that many patent attorneys and inventors have when they write really lengthy backgrounds. When they do that, they actually pigeonhole themselves by identifying and admitting that certain technology exists in the prior art. By saying too much about what your invention is and about what exists already, you might actually be saying that part of what you could invent and get patent rights for, you're admitting is prior art. And so that actually reduces your claim scope and reduces the value of your invention. All right, so back to that challenge we talked about. We're thinking about aerospace this week. I want you to think about your industry, all right? And after you get that trade show booked, the best way to network is to go with someone. Go in alliance, and that way you can share, try to break up the crowd and get more people, more information, right? You want to get more the better, see as much as you can see, and there's no better way than teaming up with someone else. So I encourage you to share this video with someone you might want to go with to that event, and hope you all have a wonderful day today. And thanks for tuning in to the Bold Today show, and make today bold.
inventors.ip.com.